Hi, I'm Linda Zhang, and I'm the Chief Engineer for the all-electric F-150 Lightning.
I'm Corey Williams, Plant Manager at the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center where we are right now.
And today we're going to give you a quick tour on how the F-150 Lightning is put together. Let's go.
So Linda, as you know, the Rouge Electric Vehicle Center was built on a historic site of the Dearborn Assembly Plant. This place was actually designed to be flexible, with the person in the center of how we design the workstation and how we deliver the vehicle.
This is the robot for the battery installation. These are high voltage batteries that power the entire vehicle. It'll give our customers 320 miles of range from an extended range battery perspective with 563 horsepower, 0 to 60 in mid 4 seconds.
This is where we integrate the battery into the frame, which we build upside down, and then these huge robots take it and flip it over, and we put it on an automated guided vehicle, and it takes it out to be assembled.
And here you can see the chassis with the frame and the battery, as well as our rear motor. These dual motors, standard for this vehicle, gives it 4x4 all the time. You couple that with the rear independent suspension, and it provides the Lightning with a really wonderful drive.
We looked at all the cool stuff that's underneath the frame, the battery, the stators that make it go. But this is where we take the cab and we marry it to the body. This is the most exciting thing for me because it starts to look like an F-150 Lightning. Not only this is an amazing advanced manufacturing facility, but I truly believe we have the best employees to deliver the F-150 Lightning.
Can you believe the customer demand? In response, we're going to be doubling the capacity here to 150,000 units in mid-2023.
So fall of 2020, we broke ground. 1 year later, in 21, the building's up, and here we are today.
I can't wait till we get this truck out to our customers so that it can take over the highways of America.